Ibondioma Ekenemono. So I'm greeting you guys from the Swiss mountains and this beautiful place right here. It was a long hike, but it was well worth it. Up the hills to the top. Look at, I can't get enough of it. Huh? Look at, see nature. And this side, before the snow. We are so far up, there's no more trees, and there's still some snow from winter, even though it's summer now. Yes, this place is beautiful. I have to take Ezenwa, though it will take some convincing to get him up the mountain. But this thing is so nice. You will enjoy it. At least there's a restaurant up here. You can drink a chilled beer and relax.